Hello, Edwina here from the Case Membership team. I'm going to show you how to update your account information. So to do this, it's really simple. You log in, click the blue My Account button, which will take you to your case profile. If you are a primary or secondary coordinator for your institution, you will see this roster tab. Okay, um, so you can edit your email address from this page. You would just click the red edit button. We are going to go to the left side column here, and you can edit all of these things. If you'd like to add emergency contacts, you can click this. Edit phone, email, and social media. You can click this button right here. But I'm going to focus on just the profile. You can add any addresses here. Um, the default address will be your institution's address. You can add your home address. So yes, the main address will be your work address, and then you can also add and edit your home address. I'm going to click profile. This is where you would go, and it will give you all the options here at the top. You can change your nickname, your title. You can add your birth date if you want. So, all right, let's say Dorothy. I'm just going to be Dorothy today. Got a promotion. So, we need to update the job title. We're going to click this red button here. We're going to go down here. She is now the Senior Director of Development. You just update it here and then click the Save button. And just like that, we have it updated here. And that's pretty much it. If you are having any issues with updating your profile online or would like any changes done, you can also email us at membership@case.org and we'll be happy to help.